Your house front is the very first thing people notice. It's the face of your home, the first impression that sets the tone for everything inside. Choosing the right color and design *** can transform a simple exterior into a statement of style and personality. In this video, we'll explore creative and stunning ideas to give your house front a fresh, welcoming, and unforgettable look. Start with color selection. Soft whites, warm beiges, and cool grays are timeless choices that create a classy, elegant appeal. For a modern touch, consider deep charcoals, navy blues, or earthy greens. If you want a bold and vibrant statement, go for mustard yellow, terracotta, or even a sophisticated burgundy. Just be sure to balance it with neutral accents. Design details matter just as much as color. Adding stone cladding, wooden panels, or brick textures ** can bring depth and character. Modern steel railings, glass balconies, and stylish outdoor lighting can instantly elevate the overall look. For traditional charm, think carved wooden doors, arched windows, or decorative trims. Don't forget landscaping. Even the most beautiful colors shine brighter when paired with greenery. Neatly trimmed plants, colorful flowers, and a tidy pathway will create a warm,